Hey guys, John again here. And as part of the admin function series, I will be discussing how to edit permissions for each account or for an account under your hierarchy. For those who haven't followed the series, in order for you guys to get here, what you want to do is you want to click on admin if you have the administrative function on your account, and it'll show you the list of sub-accounts under your account. So to edit permissions, all you have to do is click on the gear icon as displayed here, and a list of checkboxes should appear on your screen. Now you can choose or you can modify the account's settings or the account's permission. Are they able to edit the tour? Are they able to delete it? Are they able to use certain functions? You can actually choose what can they do and what can they not do here. Once you're done, all you have to do is just click on submit, wait for the prompt to tell you that it's been saved, and there you have it.